Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Diamond Painting with Laura. And today I have an unboxing from guess where? Our favorite place. Yep. Diamond Art Club. This is a big one. Finally came back into stock. It's got a big box. Oh goodness. Got the packing slip. And a piece of paper. Ooh. And a very big pink box. And nothing else in the box. And this is Where Light Meets Dark. 52 by 70. And it is around with Aurora Borealis. Yeah. I am so excited. I was so upset that this was out of stock, and then they sent me that email, and Laura went nuts. I ordered this 4/5 of this month, and I got it today. I paid a total of it was 54 by 95 with $6.99 shipping. I had a $5 off coupon, so it came to $56.94. Thank God for coupons. Alright. Lots of drills. There's the drills. Oh my God, look at them 310s. And there's that. And my drill kit. Usual drill kit. And it does come with a 3-placer, 2 things of wax, and a squishy, and the pin, and baggies, and a clear boat, which I don't use. I don't like that. Oh, I love that pink box. But I'm saving that pink box because I'm going to put it back in it so it doesn't get ruined. It always feels so good to get a Diamond Art Club because you know it's actually going to be workable. Just save my plastic. Okay, are you ready, guys? And of course, we got the key at the top. And we did get our little side key, which I like. And they really didn't need to do it on this one. At least the key is at this corner and the bottom corner. And how to diamond paint. We all know how to diamond paint. Get out of my way. God, this is going to be so pretty. Just beautiful. I just love it. And this is Light Meets Dark. Sorry. I bought another one, so I was confused. You know, when you order, you just want them all at the same time. It's like, come on, get this over with. I don't know who's stressed out more, me or Diamond Art Club to get it out. But isn't that just gorgeous? Just absolutely loved it. And it was out, so I had to wait. And here's all the drills. Just a few. It is, what did I say? Size 52 by 70, and it is a JoJo art. There's a few of them I like, but I like Mandy Manzano the best. I don't know, maybe because she does a lot from New Orleans, or about New Orleans, and I just love New Orleans. Okay, look at all them bright colors. Start where at the beginning. Some yellow and orange. We have Aurora Borealis white, hot pink, dark hot pink, light seafoam green. That's my favorite. Ooh, and 550. Yeah, I love that purple. 796 in a purple blue. And then the turquoise, 3843. I don't know which one I like better. This one or Dream. Yep, I can't. Gotta finish Dream. I keep telling myself that. And there's 814. That's kind of a, I don't know, burgundy-ish. I don't know if it's burgundy, but it sure is pretty. There's 154. There's not a lot of colors. There are 19 colors in this. And 3 bags of 310 here. Oh, well, not to be outdone by 939. It's coming. $9.95. It's a nice dark turquoise. And look at that. Looks like red, almost I don't know, purpley red. And there's your oh no. 939 had to be super extra and be 4 of those. Oh yeah. If it wasn't bad enough, yeah, there's a lot of dark in this. And 3896. I'm sorry, 3846. And that beautiful 797. Yeah. What I love about Diamond Art Club is their colors are so vivid and so beautiful. I just absolutely love them. So this will be on my list of crap to get done. I'm never going to finish these diamond paintings this year. And I'm waiting. I keep waiting for the 15th. I don't know how well that's going to go. So I guess there's only one Aurora Borealis color. And it must go around, you know, like to highlight this. What color is that? 141. What? Say again. 141. Oh, it's down here. It's number 19, and it is the circle. So it's like mixed in the highlights of the wolf's face and the hair on his face and around the eyes. It'll be beautiful. And it looks like up here in the stars, there's going to be some where those little white squares are at. Yeah. Oh man, I could have saved so much money if I'd just done this in the beginning and bought from Diamond Art Club. I wouldn't have nearly as many, but I went sort of through that. But isn't that just beautiful? It's just gorgeous. And the colors are just so vivid and so beautiful. I don't know if Wolfpack finished this, if she did this, if she finished it. I saw somebody do this. And I should make like notes to myself. But it is just gorgeous. Just absolutely stunning. But I will roll it up and put it away as much as I hate to, but I don't want anything to happen to it. I do have another Diamond Art Club coming. Of course. Oh, this is back in stock. Yeah, 3 days before that stupid, 3 or 4 days before the, what do you call it? Before their big sale. Yeah. But I like it because it's going to lay down flat. That I can roll it back up and put it back in the box so nothing happens to the whole thing. Because I would just be totally sick. And what was the other one that came in? There was another Diamond Art Club that came in, and I was like, oh my god, I want that one too! To hell with the sale! I might get to that mess by September or December. See if I can get that back in there. Well, thank you for joining me, guys, and on my journey with Diamond Art Club here. Like I said, one more coming. It probably won't get here until next week. It takes it a little longer here. For some reason, I'm in the mountains, and the post office isn't the best, but we seem to get them, though. And I like when I go to get them at the post office because they're in their own special little box that I get to open like a present. Oh, yeah, because I know there's a present waiting inside. It's like, surprise! Oh, yeah, surprise, you ordered it, crazy. So, yeah, I get excited when I see these. It's like, I wish I had this room that was like 100 feet big so that I could just lay these all out and I could just do them like jigsaw puzzles and go buy them, you know. Oh, I'll do that one today and put a few drills and I might finish something in a lifetime. No, that wouldn't work. I wouldn't want them out and getting exposed and getting ruined. But thank you for joining me, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell so that you know when I am coming out with another video. And y'all have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. God bless.